Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. Today I'm doing a video I really don't think I've ever done, and that is some of the products that I regret purchasing. I have a lot of shoes here, some accessories, but I do want to say that before I share this video, every single thing that I purchase with the intention thinking I'm going to wear it. I just find that oftentimes I'll look at my closet and I'll be like, you know, I just don't wear that as much as I thought I was going to, or it's just not as easy to style as I thought it was going to be. So I'm not someone who buys things and then like with the intentions of returning them or buys them just to share with you guys. I really buy things that I love, and something that I'm going to be more intentional about in 2023 is buying things that I love and know what like 100% I'm going to wear multiple ways. That's something I asked you guys on Instagram. Like, what do you want to see from me in 2023? So many of you guys were like, real life casual outfits, real life mom outfits, real life things that I can wear multiple ways because it just doesn't feel feasible to wear, you know, these pieces or whatever. So everything I am sharing, I just thought I was gonna wear, but I just don't as much as I really believed. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna be honest, I do not regret a lot of luxury purchases that I make. And before we get too far into it, this hat actually is from, I literally cannot remember the name of the brand. I don't know if they still sell it, but basically this is like just a standard white beanie, and she cuts out Louis Vuitton patches, like real Louis Vuittons, and she just like patches them onto things, and it's so cute. So if they do still have these in stock, I'm gonna link it below. I am someone who I buy accessories and things that are luxury, and I saw a TikTok the other day and she said, you can bet your bottom dollar I'm gonna wear my, I think she had like designer shoes and a designer bag. And then she was like with Lululemon leggings and a Target sweater with a Walmart coat. And the comment section was full of people that were like, yes, I love this. And I was just like, finally people are getting it. Like, I don't believe you have to be all or nothing. I think that you can do a mixture of both if that is what you like, if that is what, you know, you can afford, if that's what you want. I think that that's totally fine. So I have a few Louis Vuitton handbags, nothing super crazy, and I love every single one of them. So I, at the end of I think was it 2021? I think it was 2021. I hit a ton of business goals that year, and I wanted to get myself something that wasn't a handbag, so I bought myself a Louis Vuitton scarf. And I think it's like the Shine Shawl or Shine scarf. I just regret this so much because this is far too bougie for me. Like, I can wear my Louis Vuitton bag with my Walmart coat and I feel fine, but I don't know, maybe it's just the shine of this, maybe it's the size, maybe I'll one day be able to like wear it. I just feel like I'm not this, like this is bougie. And at the end of the day, I'm just still a mom with little, I wear casual outfits, I like, you know, basic leggings and sneakers, and this just does, I don't wear this as much as I thought. And I think that also goes with, like, I stopped seeing scarves being worn as a fashion statement as much. Scarves definitely still get worn, obviously, like wear what keeps you warm, but I think I stopped seeing them just worn as just like general fashion statements. So I do regret that purchase. I don't regret a ton of luxury purchases. I don't have a ton of luxury purchases, but for sure the scarf, it seems a little ridiculous. And this hat was like under 50, I think. So I don't regret this not 1 minute, but I do love that people are finally starting to realize like you don't have to be all or nothing. Like you can invest in some pieces and then not have to in other things. With that being said, a trend that I love, so many of you guys were my hype men. Like, I've never gotten more compliments on an outfit than I did when I shared these, but I just can't bring myself to wear them on a day-to-day basis. And that is the like faux leather pants. So Abercrombie has some gorgeous one, and I see so many girls wear these and absolutely rock them, and I'm obsessed with their style. I think they look so fabulous on so many people. I think the faux leather pants are so flattering. I just think for me, again, like I am going to Target, to the chiropractor, I am running to the grocery store. Like for me, these just aren't feasible. I don't spend a lot of time out, you know, just out doing things where I would need my cute little pants. If I go on date night with my husband, most of the time I reach for my Spanx faux leather leggings because I just think those are still like true staples in my closet. I've had them for 4 years, and anything faux leather like that, I always divert back to the Spanx faux leather leggings. I love the trend. I think it looks so fabulous on so many people, and I thought I was gonna love it. And so many of you guys loved it on me. it's just not something that I think it's like, I don't wear it every day. And I'm trying not to also be like that boring mom that only wears like leggings and stuff, but I just feel like this phase in my life, like when I do get dressy and stylish and stuff, it just still isn't like this. So faux leather pants, just not what I thought. Also, I am definitely still fighting a little bit of a cold, so if I'm like out of breath or sound really crazy, do know that that is why. We are all struggling over here in the Robinson household, but we are making it. So this kind of is a one big thing. So I really regret a lot of Nordstrom purchases from the Nordstrom sale specifically. I don't feel like there is a ton of pressure anymore to share the sale. Maybe there is. I know that there are so many women who cover it like it is every single day. When the sale goes on, they're covering it, and I definitely cover it, not as much as I used to, because I found myself loving so many pieces, and I would buy them and I would think these are just so amazing and they're going to be great athletic pieces, these are great staples, these are great this, these are great that. And then they'll sit in my closet, and it has nothing to do with it being Nordstrom or the Nordstrom sale. I, again, am not someone like, I've seen people say like, oh, it's nice that you know, shop at Nordstrom and don't return your stuff. I personally don't know of any influencers that buy things with the intentions of returning them. I, for the most part, would like to think that the girls that I follow are genuine enough and I trust them enough that I know if they buy it, they're going to wear it. And so that's always my intention, but it just never hits. And this year I was really disappointed in a lot of my Nordstrom purchases, minus the Free People stuff. These were my biggest disappointment. I loved these sneakers. So many people spoke so highly of these sneakers. Like all the girls who could shop the sale before me said they were so comfy. No, they are super great for walking around very minimal, like not walking around a ton. I have tried to just like, well, I tried to wear these to work out one time and I got maybe 5 minutes into the workout and I was like, these are the most uncomfortable shoes ever. But I just feel like I was super disappointed in these. I've been super disappointed in just, I don't know, it's kind of my own fault because I pick out the stuff from the Nordstrom sale, but I probably won't shop it this year. If I do, I'll buy just like the booties and stuff or Free People stuff. I probably will not buy any sneakers that are not on clouds because I just haven't had good luck. These shoes are extremely stiff, not great for working out, but still, like if you're just gonna wear them to walk around, they're totally fine. But for anything other than that, I feel like these are just really expensive shoes for just walking around. So like I would much rather wear my Nike Air Force Ones just for casual walking. So those kind of go hand in hand with like the Nordstrom sale. I go back and forth about shopping it all the time. I might change my mind, but those sneakers are definitely a purchase that I regret because so many people not only said they're comfortable, but comfortable for working out, and that's not true, at least in my opinion. Okay, any shoe that is this color, I don't know what I was thinking. I love these. Again, fabulous. And I always think, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be able to wear these so many ways. And I think these are really cute with like Spanx faux leather leggings and like a denim top or something. But I find that practical, I always divert back to a brown or like gray booty. These are awesome. They look so good. These are from Target. These are from Lulu's. They're gorgeous. I don't know, I would always rather spend more money on a pair of booties that I know I'm gonna wear for years and years and years, rather than something like this that's just like a little bit more trendy. So anytime I buy like a cream colored shoe, I also find myself very afraid to wear these shoes. So I regret these a lot because I have to be very picky, and like these shoes, y'all all know, I mean, you're probably so sick of hearing these. I've had these for 3 years now. I wear these all the time. They are still some of my most comfortable shoes. They're, I mean, honestly starting to get a little bit torn up, but Marc Fisher booties, like I just wear these all the time because they're way more comfortable. You guys can probably hear my son screaming. He's like playing with his dad. Super, they're just comfy and you can wear multiple ways. So I just don't always grab for these, but I love them. They're so trendy and I see so many people wear them and it's just like, I want to, but they're not me. And then the Western trend. So I purchased these from the Nordstrom sale this year. These were a hot item to buy, and then these. So the brown boots were from Nordstrom, very expensive, and then the gray is the Look for Less from Target. So these all have like Western patterns on them. Here's the thing about the Western trend. I love it. Maybe it's just that I'm not cool. Maybe that's what this video is. Maybe I'm just realizing I'm just not as cool as I thought I was. But I thought I was cool enough to pick off the like Western vibes. And anytime I wear them, maybe it's because I'm from South Carolina and I feel like every time I see a girl wearing like a super Western outfit, it's like she's going to a bachelorette party in Nashville or a country concert in Texas. And I just feel like I look silly. Like if I wear that on a day-to-day basis, even if I wear that out here in South Carolina, like I look like a poser or I look like a tourist or something. So while I do love these, I think that these are such a good, like, honestly, these probably shouldn't be included because I do actually wear these and they are good staple items. I just feel like the Western boot, specifically like the price of these, it's fairly expensive, and to only be able to wear these a certain way is just not my fave. Again, I would much rather go to like something like this that's, you know, not as specific to like the Western look. So I thought I would love these. Genuinely, I don't think I've worn these out of the house not one time. I think I wore these once. So yeah, it just kind of bums me out because I also get really irritated with myself because I know like I wasted money on things. I used to be a much more impulse buyer. I'm not near as much of an impulse buyer now as I used to be, but that's something I'm really working towards in 2023. So just wanted to share some products that I regret with you guys, some thoughts. But in 2023, I'm gonna work more towards sharing true staple pieces that are casual, or you can wear them be a little bit dressier too. I'm gonna share dresses and stuff, but things that just can be worn multiple ways by tons of different people, and they're not super trendy. I've never been a super trendy girl, and I feel like every time I give into the trends, I regret it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Just kind of a random chit chat video, but I hope that you enjoyed this one. I will have this stuff linked below for you guys if you're like, you know, you want to buy any of it, like you think it's cute. I'm not saying that this stuff is not absolutely adorable. I'm just saying it's not personally my style. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you're new here. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.